All right, so the talk of the town is DeepSeek. It's been out for a while, but recently it's come to big news headlines and everyone's talking about DeepSeek this, DeepSeek that. In today's video, we're gonna be testing DeepSeek, see if it can create a profitable automated trading strategy for us. And we're actually gonna compare it to ChatGPT and battle the two strategies out together and see which one does better. Before we get started, hello, my name is Jacob Amaral. I build, code, and trade automated trading systems on the futures market to make a return for myself. If you want to learn more about automated trading and trading bots, see the links in the description below. So let's get started. We got DeepSeek open right here, and we're gonna write a prompt to have it code us a strategy that should be profitable. Hopefully it'll be profitable. We'll find out. All right, so create a profitable. Now I use NinjaTrader to run my automated trading systems. You may use TradeStation or your own, say, Python application or Quant Connect, but usually it can be applicable between platforms. Create a profitable NinjaTrader strategy for me, including the proper source code, libraries, source code and libraries. This strategy must have, how are we gonna create this prompt? This strategy, create a profitable NinjaTrader strategy for me, including the proper source code and libraries. This strategy must have a net profit over the last, let's say, 5 years. It must trade long and short. It's thinking. While that's loading, I'm gonna create a strategy in NinjaTrader. So NinjaTrader allows you to run automated strategies. So I'm gonna do right click, new strategy. We will call this DeepSeek strat. Next, generate. It's gonna generate the C# code. NinjaTrader is built off .NET framework. All right, so I can already tell that this may not compile. That's the problem, is these models always have mistakes. And that's normal. They're still learning, I guess, and they haven't been taught all the proper libraries, but we'll see. It's generating the code. It's telling me to trade on 15-minute bars. All right, so I'm gonna copy this source code, replace it, and I'm just gonna rename the strategy to what I had before, DeepSeek strat. All right, looks like it uses a Bollinger Band and simple moving average trend. All right, so here's our first mistake already. The type or namespace Bollinger Bands cannot be found. That's incorrect. Yeah, right here. I believe it's just Bollinger Band. So let's tell it to fix it. Bollinger Band does not exist in NinjaTrader 8 indicators. See if it fixes that. Which should be is it should just be called Bollinger actually. Yeah, the actual in the source code for the NinjaTrader libraries is just called Bollinger. I love that it shows like its process of thinking and it's talking like a human. That is cool. I don't think Chat does that. So Bollinger Bands. Okay. All right. No, it's just called Bollinger. I think it's still wrong. Because if you look at the NinjaTrader indicator namespace in the class, it's just Bollinger. All right. So if I copy this, I expect another source code error. Let's see. if I compiled it. Oh, sorry, it wasn't finished. I was a little trigger happy with that copy, my mistake. Let's do that again. Okay. Yeah, it's still not Bollinger Bands. It should just be Bollinger. I want to see what other mistakes are in here. This is okay, it makes mistakes. All right, so yeah, just Bollinger. I think there's other mistakes, yeah. The name account item does not exist in the current context. Account.get. It has all this risk 2% per trade. We don't need any of that. All right, so I don't care about that. I'll tell it to remove that. I'm trying to figure out what it needs to remove. Okay, then tick value 46, yeah. This is wrong too. Oh, actually, no, that's right, yeah. I mean, I always just want to trade one contract for this specific scenario. Market position. Yeah, so it's missing some libraries as well, because market position is a standard NinjaTrader object, or enum, I guess. All right, so a couple things. So NinjaTrader's indicator is called Bollinger, not Bollinger Bands. Also, you are missing some libraries. That's why I told it in the first prompt to use the proper libraries, but it hasn't been taught that yet. So it is what it is. We just got to teach it. And yeah, I'm just going to get rid of the account risk. I wanted to trade one contract static all the time. Personally, if you're building trading systems, I mean, you should never trade one individual system. It should be a diversified portfolio of automated systems. And within that portfolio, after you combine all your strategies together, you should know how much capital is required to trade, one lot of that portfolio. So in terms of futures trading, right, we trade in contracts. Contracts need to be whole numbers. You can't trade 1.5 or 2.3 contracts. It's got to be, 1, 2, or 3. You should know, all right, to trade one contract, I need X amount of value, X amount of cash to trade this portfolio to withstand the drawdowns in the future. All right, so it fixed Bollinger. That should be good. It's still missing libraries. Strategies, indicators, NinjaScript, data. Maybe it's fine. All right, so let's copy that. Okay. This account risk stuff I don't care about. I'm just going to set contracts to always 1. All right. Let's see if it added the proper libraries. No, it still did not. Yeah, it's missing. I think it's missing the CBI class. Like a normal strategy usually has this, right? So I think it's missing this, NinjaTrader CBI. That's what market position is a part of. Let's see if that's it. All right, so that fixed that. Stop loss distance. What's stop loss distance? Oh, I see. All right, so once again, let's tell it to fix it. You are missing the CBI. You are missing the CBI library. I only want to trade a static 1 contract. Man, we're putting in work to fix this thing. Jeez Louise. Well, that's thinking, let's do the ChatGPT too. So let me copy that prompt. I mean, let's see if that's the same mistakes. Yeah, see, ChatGPT now it has the proper libraries, but it might have probably has more data that it could learn on. It's been out longer too, so it's probably learned on more data. Let's add more prompts to it. All right. So copy. Let's make a new strategy. We'll call this will be the ChatGPT one. ChatGPT strat. All right. Let's rename that. All right. Now did DeepSeek finish? Okay, I said try again. It said the server was busy. It's still busy. Okay. Bummer. Let me make a new chat. All right. I'll paste that same prompt in, but tell it some more details. Static one contract. Make sure you use the CBI, the NinjaTrader CBI. All right. So basically, chat's telling me that it can't run backtests. All right, so can't run backtests, but it did give me some properties. So I have the strategy now. Let me just blank out the DeepSeek one. Let's see if this chat one compiles. And okay, it doesn't. It has too many usings. Strategy Analyzer is not a library. All right. The type, so yeah, Strategy Analyzer and Generator are not libraries. Using NinjaTrader.indicators. Don't need this either. Which ones do we need? We need NinjaScript. All right, I'm just gonna say the using libraries are wrong. Use these. Okay, we're putting in work here. We are putting in work. I'm going to trigger happy on this. All right, copy. Oh my God, it's still not done yet. Let's go. All right, copy. Okay. Rename this ChatGPT strat. ChatGPT strat. Okay. Does that compile? NinjaTrader strategy is a namespace, but is used like a type. Line 25. Oh. Yeah, sorry, it wasn't that. It's supposed to be strategies. So you have to have definitely some advanced prior knowledge of whatever libraries you're working with. All right, we're still having issues. Calculate, this is totally wrong. Calculate should be calculate.onBarClose. Maybe I should have gave it an existing strategy and say, hey, use these libraries. All right. What else we got wrong here? 51, SMA fast. So I'm gonna replace double with int in the document. Okay. That might have messed something else up too, we'll see. I think we finally got to compile. Holy, finally. All right. How's DeepSeek doing? Has it finished? Okay, here we go. So DeepSeek, The libraries are still not correct. Yeah. All right. Let's see if this compiles here. Yeah, the libraries are still not correct. I'm done teaching it. I'm just gonna copy the chat version. All right, we finally got them both to compile after a lot of fixing. My prompts maybe could have been better. So let me know in the comments below if my prompts are lazy. But they finally both compile. Now, DeepSeek tells me to do this on ES 5-minute bars. Okay. Now, ChatGPT says it can't backtest at all. So it just gave me a strategy. I'm probably going to have to test some stuff with it. Okay. So let's go to our strategy analyzer here. Don't think I have one open. Let's go to our strategy analyzer. Let's start with the DeepSeek one because it actually gave us instructions and settings to use. Now, I don't know if it's 5-minute, 24-hour session or it's the 5-minute intraday session. It's taking a while to open. There we go. Okay, so first off, we have our DeepSeek strategy. DeepSeek bot. All right, so ES futures. 5-minute. Last 5 years. I'll assume it's the instrument settings. Will include commission, 2 ticks of slippage. Exit on session close. Maybe I'll uncheck. I don't think this is going to be profitable, but it says hypothetically it is. Oh, this is 2018 to 2023. All right. My mistake. It's actually kind of good because now 2024 and 2025 can be out of sample. Strategy's probably making a lot of trades. All right. 2018 to 2023. Wildly unprofitable. Okay. Maybe exit on session close was supposed to be checked. Let's see. It's making 11,000 trades. It's just so often. So I don't think it's actually backtesting. It's just saying it's just saying hypothetically what it is, but I don't think it's actually backtesting. All right. We'll try the intraday session. Maybe it's supposed to be that. Exit on session close. Still all not making money. Nope. So not even close. Maybe my prompts were bad. Maybe I should give it a strategy and have it improve it. But another option is we could try it on different markets and different time frames. So I'm going to test it on, let's see here. Let's just go back to the normal session. Oh yeah, first we'll do RTH. We'll see if there's any day trading systems. So I'll try it on all markets and then all bar sizes. So we'll do that. So that'll test it on all futures markets, and then to test on bar sizes, Gotta change it to optimization. I'll just optimize on max net profit and optimize data series. So for the intraday session, I'll try between, let's just do 5 minute to 30 minute. We'll increment by 5. We'll run this. This will take a while. I'll speed it up. All right, so our test finished. Here's the results. For the day trading DeepSeek strategy, we had 5 that were profitable, although honestly only 4 of the 5 would pass my criteria. So 4 out of 5 day trading bots would pass criteria, or 4, we'll say 4 day trading DeepSeek. Now for the day trading ChatGPT was better at generating the code. There was less mistakes, probably because it has more data to learn on. For the day trading ChatGPT, we had 3 strategies would pass my criteria. Yeah, 3 would pass my criteria. Then I also did swing trading as well. I just used day bars for swing trading. I did not test, say, 100 5-minute bars. Actually, no, I did. I'm a dummy. I tested 100-minute bars to 1,000-minute bars, and it could hold overnight. So with DeepSeek, DeepSeek day trading 1, it had 4 strategies versus ChatGPT's, I think I said 3. Let me check. Yeah, ChatGPT's 3 strategies. So DeepSeek 1, if you will. I'll tell you some caveats later about these tests. For the swing trading, it is usually easier to find swing trading strategies just because you dodge the noise a bit. For DeepSeek, we had 3 strategies would have passed my criteria. And then for the ChatGPT swing, we had 4 strategies pass my criteria. So it looks like ChatGPT won on the swing systems that passed my criteria. Yeah, 4 to 3. And then DeepSeek won on the day trading. So when I say pass my criteria, basically the strategies had a return to drawdown of greater than 2, which is the net profit divided by the max drawdown. But this is a big caveat. This is still all out of sample. There's a lot more tests that I would do. I would do out of sample testing, Monte Carlo testing, correlation analysis, and also incubate the strategies in sim. Now, as far as code generation, ChatGPT did a lot better. There was less mistakes with the code. There was still a missing library. But other than that, that was the only mistake it made. DeepSeek had a lot of coding mistakes, a lot of missing libraries. Maybe my prompts weren't good enough, but had a lot of missing libraries, wrong indicator class names that I had to continuously tell it to redo. And then also none of the strategies out of the box were profitable. I had to test on different bar sizes and different instruments. So don't expect ChatGPT or DeepSeek to create profitable strategies out of the box for you. It's just not there yet. And it can't do backtesting capabilities. And also, I mean, you should be backtesting yourself and scrutinizing the data yourself and not letting it do all the work for you. You should always scrutinize anything that AI generates for you to make sure it's actually logically correct, because it's going to make a lot of mistakes. However, it's a good base fundamental code generating service, I guess, if you will. I would use more, the stuff I would use for ChatGPT and DeepSeek would be analytical stuff like portfolio returns, finding patterns with your returns or weaknesses within your portfolio and patterns where it's weak and maybe improving it, maybe giving it an existing strategy and improving that strategy. Maybe I should do that where I give it actual strategy that's actually good and improve it. But as far as generating strategies from scratch, I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend it more, personally I use it more for the analytics side. So that's where I find value in it and helping me find patterns and determine analytics and patterns through Excel analysis. So yeah, as far as conclusion, ChatGPT is better at code generation than DeepSeek as far as NinjaTrader strategies. They were pretty much even on profitable strategies. DeepSeek did better on the day trading systems, and ChatGPT did better on the swing trading systems. Hope you found value in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're using DeepSeek for any of your analytics or code generation with your automated trading systems. And yeah, I'd like to hear your story if you're using it and how it's helping you. Anyways, have a good week, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.